video is showing how you can remove background from your video. So let's start the video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show how you can remove background from the video in Kinemaster using the Chroma Key feature. So let's get started this video. Opening Kinemaster application. As you already know, first step is to import the video and media from your mobile phone. Now select the media. Next step, you have to add green screen clip. Just click on layer, click on media, green screen layer. It is looking like some birds, so I trim the video until green screen started. Watch the video till end. Learn this. Select and delete this part. Again adjust the clip until media from starting time to ending time. Now you have to choose the clip and click on alpha or chroma key. Enable this option. It is default disable. Choose the color green. Now you can adjust its timeline. Adjusting. Now you adjust its 28 uppercase. And 61 lowercase. No, it's not matching. Start the video. Now you are viewing the video with removing background footage. Okay, I hope you understand my video. Thanks for watching. ऑडियंस ऑलरेडी बैठी हुई है इधर सीखने के लिए।